Hello, I'm Miss Kelly, and today is your test, so we will start. What's your name and how do you spell that?
My name is An. I-N-S.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? Yeah.
Football.
Next, what color is your hair?
It's black.
What color are your eyes?
It's black.
What animal do you like? What animal do you like? What things have you got in your bedroom?
Bed,
Mhm.
bed, blanket, cupboard.
Okay. Is there a teddy next to the bed?
Yes,
Is
yes,
there a
it, yes, there is.
Very good. Is there a bed in the bedroom?
Yes, there is.
How many socks are there on the floor? How many socks are there on the floor? What's under the desk?
Mom, Dad, me.
What's under the desk? Where's the blanket? Yeah, where's the blanket? What color is the blanket? What color is the blanket? Where's the computer? Mhm. Where's the computer?
My computer.
What's on the wall? What's on the wall? Next, how many pens are there on the cupboard?
Three, three,
Yes, very good. How many books are there on the shelf?
three books.
Very good. Next, what can he do?
Yes, he can.
He can.
Yes, he can.
Can the girl dance?
Yes, he can.
Can the boy sing?
No, he can. No, he can.
What can the monkey do? What can the monkey do? Next, can the girl walk?
No, he can.
Can the boy swim?
No, he can.
That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.